forward to this performance, Sebastian. Especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
We are the daughters of Triton, great father who loves us and named us well, Aquata and Trina, Arista, Athena, Zeno. Is the youngest in her musical debut, our seventh little sister, we're presenting her to you. To sing the song Sebastian wrote, her voice is like a bell, she's our sister.
Ariel!
Ariel! Oh, Flounder, have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
Whoa! Cool!
How do I look?
Ariel,
Daddy!
what's that you're hiding? No, you went up to the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
If you would just listen.
Never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
If only I can make him understand. I just don't see things the way he does. I don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, fins! Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down what's that word again? Street, up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world.
Hey there, boy. Yeah, I know. I had to escape all that marriage talk. It's just... I just haven't met the right girl. Yet. Oh, believe me, Max. She's out there. Somewhere. I just know it. Okay, boy. Hey! Wait up!
I don't know when, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. One day you'll see, someday you'll see.
What is all this?
It's my collection.
Oh, your collection. Have you lost your mind? Listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah! Oh no! Ah! The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake.
I dream about going up.
No, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's bitter, down where it's winter. Take it from me. They work all day, they slave away. One we devoted full time to floating under the sea. Play the flute, the cop play the harp, the bass play the bass, and the sounding sharp. Bass play the brass, the witcher play the top, and so that blowfish blow. Ariel, tell me, what is better than all this?
Oh, Sebastian, you just don't understand.
Trust me. Everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh! Oh no! Big finish! Sea! Under the sea! When there's a team begin to begin, it's music to me. What do they got? A lot of sand! We got a hot Western band! Climb here, know how to jump here under the sea. Each little slug here cuts in a run here under the sea. Each little snail here know how to win here. That's why it's hot under the water. We are being lucky down in the muck here under the sea. Oh my!
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like Triton has a weakness after all. Blossom, Jackson, bring her to me. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help you. Ursula can make all your dreams come true.
The sea witch?
No, Angel Finch. You're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child. That's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss. The kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you'll belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweeties. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can
You
I?
have your looks, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance some body language. Come on, you unfortunate soul. Go ahead, make your choice. I'm a very busy woman and I haven't got all day. It won't cost much, just your voice. You poor unfortunate soul. It's sad, but true. If you want to cross a bridge by feet, you've got to pay the toll. Take a look, take a breath, and go ahead and slide a scroll. Jackson, now I've got a voice. The bones on a wall. This poor, unfortunate soul. Beluga sniff through the upwards of the Caspian Sea. No scientist at max laryngitis, now voce to me. Now sing. Keep singing. Sing.
What's your name? What is it? You can't speak? It's okay. I'm Ariel.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Words. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
You hear something?
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing with me now. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my. Look like the boy too shy. Gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? A little shade to cry. Gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad not knowing your name. Maybe I could guess. Is it Mildred? Okay, no. How about Diana? Rachel?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel. Ariel! That's kind of pretty. Okay. Ariel.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, put her on and listen to the song. The song says, kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, music says, music says, you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl.
That was close. Too close. At this rate, he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Ursula took matters into her own tentacles. Triton's daughter will be mine.
Your voice!
I have so much to tell you.
You're too late.
She really does love him, doesn't she, Sebastian?
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to lead their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy!
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to